If you look at the last 300 years, particularly with the rise of the Industrial Revolution, largely in England and parts of Europe, particularly Western parts of Europe, it was basically influenced, as you know, by the science of physics, leading to the steam engine. And that led to the Industrial Revolution, which was all about discipline, is all about efficiency. That led to functional organization. That led to command and control, militaristic type of leadership. And that's what the world has learned over the last 200 years, which is all about discipline, efficiency, uh, you know, focusing on functions, focusing on specialization so that you could drive the economics of an organization. But with the knowledge revolution that we are experiencing right now, driven by AI, I think it's no longer about the classical approach, but driven by physics, but it is about how to drive the dynamics of knowledge evolution, which is very different because physics was about making your muscles work more effectively by using the powers of steam or electricity. Now we are talking about how to use your mind and brain efficiently, which is very different. So we have to start thinking of not, I would call functional organization, but biological organization, where you could enable different individuals to be able to interact with each other in a most efficient fashion. It is not the discipline of doing repetitive work. It is the discipline of managing imagination, connecting, reconnecting, connecting dots which are not often obvious, and in the process create new business model, in the process create new value proposition, in the process create new, if you will, business uh, paradigms, which are fundamentally different.